Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Powerful 500 General Knowledge 2021 for all competitive exams 11 Power 500. K111. Which river is called the Morning of Bihar? Ans Kosi River. K112. 112. On which date India was declared a republic? Ans the 26th of January 1950. Ans Madhya Pradesh. Ans Mad K113. Where is the Khajuraho temple located? Ans Madhya Pradesh. K114. Where is Hawa Mahal situated? Ans Jaipur, Rajasthan. K115. 115. Where is the Bada Imambara situated? Ans Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. K116. What is the Chetak horse related to? Ans Maharana Pratap. K117. Who is known for his special contribution in the field of algebra? Ans Bhaskar. K118. Which is the oldest musical instrument? Ans Veena. K119. Which great temple was initially conceived and built during the reign of Suryavarman II? Ans Angkor Wat Temple. Ans Andhra Pradesh. K120. Where is Amravati Buddhist Stupa? Ans Andhra Pradesh. Thank you so much for watching. Shining off.